Welcome back to our YouTube channel.
欢迎光临
Why are we speaking Mandarin all of a sudden?
Because I'm craving for some Taiwanese food.
Yes, that explains why we are making this video today, because we are trying to make the
Rou Fan.
Yep, sounds yummy, right? It's a very simple recipe and it's perfect meal for a rainy day, right?
Yes.
So,
Join us as we bring your taste buds to Taiwan.
let's go!
So here are the ingredients. We'll need a handful of sliced shallot, some sliced ginger, 5 to 6 cloves of minced garlic, 1 chopped onion, a few cinnamon sticks, and also 2 star anise.
Yeah guys, if you're wondering, this is called star anise. We didn't get to know this, the name of this until today, right? So
other than that, we will need 250 grams of sliced mushroom, 1 sliced tofu, and also scallion.
Yep, the scallion is for garnishing only later on. And also we have about 300 grams of minced pork. You can use sliced pork also if you want. And other than that, seasoning, salt, pepper, and also rock sugar. This will give sweetness to the caramelization of the Rou Fan later. And also we have already pre-made 3 boiled egg, and here is actually the leftover water from the shiitake mushroom. This will be act as a broth later on for the dish. And for the sauce, we'll be using some dark soy sauce, this is oyster sauce, and also sesame oil. Other than that, that is about it lah. But if you see this is actually out of the topic, because we are gonna have some fried chicken as well, because what is Taiwanese street food without some fried chicken, right?
Yes.
So
Let's start.
alright guys, so right now we're gonna marinate the minced pork. So what we need is 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and also half tablespoon of sesame oil. And we'll mix it up. Alright, so this is done. We'll let it sit while we prepare the others. Alright, so right now we're gonna fry the shallots. We'll just put some oil into the pan. Make sure your pan is hot. And we will fry the shallot until it turns golden brown. So now we're gonna season it with some salt and continue frying until it turns golden brown. Okay guys, so once you have finished frying the shallots, we'll put it aside, and now we will fry the onions along with the garlic. So once again, we will grease up the pan. In goes the onion. Together with the garlic and also ginger. We put half of the amount of ginger in first. Alright, so coming to about almost 2 minutes of frying, we will put in roughly 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and we will put in the spice, which is the cinnamon stick and also the star anise, and we'll continue frying for about another 2 minutes. Alright guys, so as the onion turning to be golden in color, we will set it aside, and we will put some oil into the pan again. And now we are gonna fry the mincemeat together along. So now we're gonna fry it until all the pork is cooked. sauce. For that, we will put in 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. And 2 tablespoons. Now is the time for you to put in your rock sugar as well. Okay, so right now we'll just cover it with a lid and we'll come back in another 20 to 25 minutes.
Guys, this is after 30 minutes of simmering. Let's see the final product. Wow!
Looks so legit.
Smells so good.
Look at the braised tofu and the egg.
Yes, so now we are gonna put it on a bowl of rice and garnish it. So guys, this is our version of Rou Fan.
It looks legit. Oh, look at this. Can see it all.
Looks so nice.
Right.
I feel like I'm really in Taiwan already.
Me too. The braised egg and also the tofu makes it so yummy.
Oh my god.
Can't wait to try. So
Me too.
let's get to it.
Smells so good.
I think if you braise it for longer, we only do it like 30 minutes. More than 30 minutes, I think should be more frequent. Go ahead, go ahead. And anyway, this is our fried chicken.
Yes, make me feel like in Taiwan again.
Yes!
This is the taste, seriously.
Are we in Taipei?
Oh my god, guys, this is really recommended.
It's raining outside right now. It really reminds me of our trip last time in Taiwan.
Yes.
It was raining, right? It's like we're in Ximending right now.
So damn good.
Try the tofu.
Okay.
The spice really matters, right? I feel like the spice really give the taste a lot.
It makes the taste so nice.
It's not even drooling, I just look at you eating. So flavorful.
I'm not joking.
So we have stolen their recipe already. Cheat code is right here. Follow us, and you'll go to Taiwan. You'll feel like you're in Taiwan as well.
Really, just follow this recipe. This is really nice.
Don't look at other video. This recipe works.
Yes, do share it out. This
I'm
is
so
really
hungry
good.
right now. I think I'm gonna go make myself one batch for myself also.
So guys, this is really nice. Do try it out and tag us.
We're not faking it, right? It's really, really legit good. It's not
Yes.
like those people who just put into the mouth and show you say, good. This is really legit good.
Yes.
So,
So
yeah.
if you like our video, please like, comment, subscribe us, hit the bell.
Yes, and we will keep updating with more videos of us cooking.
Yes.
And stay strong, guys. Hope to see you again soon.
很好吃。
再见喽！